In today's world, threats from the sky are real. Missiles, drones, hypersonic weapons. Air defense systems are the invisible shield that protect us. Welcome to Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat. Presented by Physical Sciences Consultorium. Let's explore the science behind these systems. An air defense system detects threats in the sky. It tracks them. It destroys them before they can cause damage. It includes radar for detection, a command center for decision-making, missiles to intercept threats, communication networks for coordination. All of this happens in seconds. Air defense works in layers. Each layer protects against a different kind of threat. Short-range systems stop low-flying aircraft or rockets. Example: MANPADS and SHORADs. Medium-range systems provide more coverage. Example: NASAMS or Barak 8. Long-range systems target threats far away and high above. Example: THAAD, S-400, Aegis. Together, they form a complete shield. Let's look at some famous systems. Iron Dome, used by Israel. Stops short-range rockets. Very fast response time. S-400 Triumph, from Russia. Can track and intercept multiple targets at once. THAAD, made by the US, targets missiles in their final phase. Aegis, used on ships. Intercepts threats over the sea using guided missiles. Each system is built using advanced science and engineering. First, radar detects the target. Then, the command center calculates speed, distance, and threat level. Finally, a missile is launched to destroy the target. There are two ways to intercept: direct hit, explosion near the target using sensors. Guidance systems help the missile change direction during flight. Some use radar. Others use infrared or GPS. Timing is critical. Everything must work in milliseconds. These systems are used in real wars. Iron Dome protects Israel from rocket attacks. S-300 and S-400 are used in the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Patriot missiles are used in Europe and the Middle East. Aegis protects ships in the Pacific and Atlantic. Sometimes they work perfectly. Sometimes threats break through. That's the reality of warfare. Air defense is evolving. Laser weapons may replace missiles. They are fast and cost almost nothing to fire. Artificial intelligence will make systems faster and smarter. Machines will detect, decide, and react in real time. Quantum radar may defeat stealth aircraft. The future is about speed, precision, and smart defense. Air defense systems are shields built from science. They protect cities, soldiers, and skies. You just watched the first episode of Warfare Tech, Science of Modern Combat. Presented by Physical Sciences Consultorium. Subscribe and stay updated. There's much more to uncover.